The standing knee to elbow. Exercise is a simple but effective move that targets your core, hip flexors, obliques, and also works on balance and coordination. 1. Starting position. Stand tall with your feet about shoulder width apart. Place your hands lightly behind your head, elbows flared out to the sides. Or keep them in front if you're a beginner. 2. The movement. Lift your right knee up toward your chest. At the same time, twist your torso so that your left elbow comes down to meet the right knee. Engage your core throughout the movement. 3. Return to start. Slowly return to the starting position. Repeat the movement on the opposite side, left knee to right elbow. 4. Reps. Alternate sides for a total of 10 to 20 reps per side. Or do it for time, e.g. 30 to 60 seconds. Move with control. Avoid rushing to keep your balance and core engaged. Exhale as you bring your knee and elbow together. Don't pull on your neck. Your hands should just support your head lightly. Keep your back straight and avoid leaning forward too much. High-intensity version. Add a hop as you switch sides to make it more cardiovascular. Slow and controlled, great for core focus and balance. Seated version, for those with limited mobility, can be done in a chair. Please check my next video.